So here's my question. At what point do you as singers begin to integrate that feeling of, I get the message, or the emotional aspect of it? Like, when does the affect or emotion come in?
Can you ruminate on that for a minute while I just take the very beginning of it, which is, this was a different scenario, I think, than ideally. Ideally, we would have started with this music. Well, ideally, it's in conjunction with the history department, and everybody's learning everything at the same time. And we would have had a long period of preparation for it, so we would have done a lot of discussion about textual impact and what we're talking about here, so we get into the character of the piece. We do it with every single piece that we perform. Now, having said that, we didn't have that kind of time with this piece, so that's going to be a very difficult question for them to answer. But does anybody like to address that at all? Yeah, Sarah, come.
Just speak slowly into the mic, slightly, would be good.
I think that this was very well composed for what you're saying, like, get the message, because you said that it was a minor triad, kind of tedious, and there was, I don't know if you guys heard it, there was this thing called a trope where she played every tone in the scale during, that was designed that way to make it sound kind of shifty and unbalanced, so that we got the message that it was kind of a complaint, really, because the Declaration of Independence was all of this unrest that the colonists were feeling. So it wasn't supposed to feel all that solid and, together. It was supposed to feel kind of off.
Just kind of discordant.
Yes. Right. Yeah, so I think that was just Linda doing a good job, basically.
Yeah.